Today we are going to learn how to graph a problem when the quadratic functions in vertex form. And what is a vertex form is an equation. It's in this form: y equals a bracket x minus p bracket squared plus q. The reason why we call this vertex form because the p, q is a vertex. P is x coordinate of vertex, q is the y coordinate of the vertex. And the a value is a stretch factor. Also, it will be the step pattern. So step pattern is a times 1, 3, 5, then keep going. What it means is from the vertex p, q. So if we sketch it, so from the vertex p, q, it means x coordinate is p, y coordinate is q. And from the vertex, we are going to use rise over run, okay? Run is 1, rise is, if a equals 1, is 1. You have another point. And the next point will be run is 1, the rise is 3. Then you have second point, third point. Then the next point will be run is 1, rise is 5. Then you will see the slope is not same, so it's not going to be a straight line. It will be curve, and we don't draw it using straight line. We are going to curve it, so it's just connect them. You will have a problem. So right one up 1, then left one will be up 1. It will be symmetric. Then left one up 3, left one up 5. Then you will be able to draw the 2 branches of the problem. So this is how we draw it. This is when a equals 1. You have right one up, run 1, rise 1, run 1, rise 3, run 1, rise 5. So it's like the slope, they are not same. The slope not same, then it will give you the curve, not a straight line. And if a value is not 1, we use a times 1, 3, 5, so it will be changed. So this is what we are going to do for today. How are we going to graph a problem when the vertex form is given? We are going to graph the vertex first, then use the step pattern to find the other points. So let's see how are we going to do it in this way. So vertex is p and q value. So be careful. This one is a x minus p bracket squared plus q. So compare this one with a general form. You will find out a value if no number at front of the bracket means a is 1. Then p value will be opposite with whatever inside the bracket. So you can think you are solving for x, you move -4 to other side, then it will be +4. So p is +4, then x minus p, it will be x minus 4. If p -4, then minus -4 will give you +4. So p value is different. It's opposite with a number inside the bracket. Then q is same with a number outside of the squared. So it's -5. Once we have the a, p, q, then we know that the vertex is just p, q is 4, -5. And the step pattern is a value times 1, 3, 5, keep going. So a is 1, is just 1, 3, 5, keep going. And what this one means is just a run is 1, rise is 1. And next point, run is 1, rise is 3. So it's just from vertex, we keep going to find the next point. So let's see how we are going to do it. So we label this one use go by 1. So for the y, same thing, go by 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. Then also we label the x and y axis. Then we are going to see where the vertex is, 4, -5. Then the step pattern is from the vertex, right 1, up 1 is run 1, rise 1. Then run 1, rise 3. Run 1, rise 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, then this is one side of the problem. Then we do the same thing, run 1 up, rise 1, left 1, yeah, rise 1, right is a symmetric point, so left 1 up 3, left 1 up 5, then you have this. Then it's done. So normally you just need 5 points, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then it's okay. So this is our first graph. Then we are going to do the second one. So second one, the vertex A equals P equals -1, Q equals -4. So the p value will be opposite, so -1, -4. Step pattern is 2 times 1, 3, 5. So it means if you run is 1, then rise is 2. Okay. So it will be 2, 6, 10. Then we are going to find a point. We go by 1 again. So we go the x and the y axis. Go by 1, then after that we are going to find a point. Vertex always start from the vertex, -1, -4. Then this one is right, run 1, rise 2. Run is 1, right is 2. Rise is 2. Then right 1 up 6. So 5 points enough. Then left 1 is symmetric, so left 1 up 2. Left 1 up 6. Then we are going to connect the point. So make sure both sides you put arrows, means the graph keeps going, okay? So find the vertex, then from the vertex use a step pattern. Step pattern is kind of like the slope, right 1 up 2, right 1 up 6, like you do the graph of a line, but this time not only find one point, you find another point, then it's a curve. And for the left side, you just find a symmetric point. So left 1 up same, left 1 up same, then connect them smoothly, put 2 arrows at the end. Then this is how you graph a quadratic function when it is in vertex form. Find the vertex, find the step pattern, then do the graph. Okay, so now we are going to continue. I will graph C together, then D, you graph it by yourself. Okay, so for this one, vertex is PQ, is 1 and 2. 1, 2. And the step pattern is A times 1, 3, 5. So it will give you 0.5, 1.5, 2.5, dot, dot, dot. So continue. It's a next slope, rise over run, okay? Then we are going to find the vertex. Label it first. we are going to find the vertex. 1, 2. X is 1, Y is 2. Step pattern is 0.5 means run is 1, rise is 0.5. So right one up 0.5, and the right one up 1.5, right one up 2.5. You don't need to use so many points, but you have more points, it's easier for you to graph it more smoothly. So symmetric point from the axis of symmetry, we find the point which is symmetric on this line. So this is left one 0.5, left two, yeah, from here left one 1.5, then this one 3, this is here. Then connect them smoothly. Then this side. So this is a graph of this one. Now I want you to, we are going to post the video here, then you do the question D by yourself. Now we are going to continue this one. The vertex is PQ is 3, 6. Step pattern is A times 1, 3, 5. It will be -3, -9, -15. Then with x, y, and because this is 6, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we still can go by 1, okay? So relabel it. This is 0, -1, -1, -2. So label the scales. Then after that, we are going to find the vertex. 3, 6. X value is 3, Y value is 6. So X is left, right, Y is up, down. So it's right 3, up 6. From 0, 0, right 3, up 6. This is the vertex. Then right 1, down 3. The slope is -3 over 1. So it's right 1, down 3. Then this is a slope -9 over 1. So right 1, down 9. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then you have 3 points for one side. We connect it, connect them smoothly. Then we also do the symmetry point, so it will be easier for us to draw this axis of symmetry. And maybe we could label it. This is x equals 3. Then find the symmetry point. This one to left. Then connect them smoothly. Okay, then we finish this graph. Check your answer to see if it's correct. And next one, so some for you now. So please try them by yourself, and we'll give you 15 minutes, okay? And before you start it, I want to show you this one, because this one is nothing in the bracket. You could think it's x minus 0, -4. So the vertex will be 0, -4. No number at front means A is 1. So it's just 1 times 135. Then continue. So then we are going to take up the answer. Okay, so for this one, check your answer. PQ is 2, 1. And step pattern is -2, 1, 3, 5. We are going to start with 2, 1. So we go by 1. 2, 1 is here. Negative 2 is right 1 down 2, right 1 down 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Then we find the axis of symmetry. X equals 2. Then we find the symmetric point. So this one will be here. This one will be here. Then connect them smoothly. Check your answer to see if you got it right. So this is a point 2, 1. This is point 3, negative 1. So right one up, plus 1 to x, then the y value is minus 2. Okay, and this one is 4, and this y value is minus 6, is negative 7. And the same thing, this part it will be left one, will be 1, negative 1. And this point is left one is 0, negative 7. Okay, check your answer. And continue, we do this one, x, y. Go by 1. 0, negative 4, it will be 1, 2, 3, 4. Then right one up 1, right one up 3. Symmetric point, axis of symmetry will be x equals 0 here. Then we find the symmetric point. 2, left 2, then 3 points on the left. Connect this point together. Okay. Now it's done. So this is 0, negative 4, and this point is 1, negative 3. And next point will be 0, 2, 0. Okay, this is this side 3 point, and this is opposite. Symmetry point is negative 2, 0, this is negative 1, negative 3. And you will find out that the y value for the symmetry point, they are the same. So this is for these two, then continue, we are going to take it up. So this no q means it's 0, so it's negative 1, 0. And step pattern is 1/2 times 135. Then we are going to find the point, label it first, scale, go by 1. So negative 1, 0. Right one up 0.5. Right one up 1.5. Axis of symmetry is here. And find the symmetric point. Right one 2, then left 2. Then connect them. Then it's done. So next point 4, 5. Negative 1, 1, 3, 5. So go by 1. Four, 5. So find the vertex, then right one down 1. Right one down 3. Symmetry, axis of symmetry is here. Then we just go right one, then left one, same y value. Right 2, left 2, same y value. then connect them. That is done.
Thanks for watching.